Welcome to my video on making Apple logo using Python. So we will be using Python code, Python script to make an Apple logo without any human intervention. No one will be drawing the Apple logo. Everything will be made by this code. So I will use Turtle as the library. I have imported Turtle as T, and you can see that I have started t.begin fill, t.background color will be white, the Apple's logo is black, so I will fill the color as black. And this entire code is present on my GitHub repository, and the link will be in the description of the video. After moving the cursor in exact right directions, the code will make an Apple logo just like that. So the code is working and it's making Apple logo on its own. I am not drawing anything. It's the code which is working, Python Turtle, which is making this whole logo by using my code, which I have presented you just a few moments before. And as you can see, the Apple's logo has been made by the code, so there was no human intervention, and the code made this beautiful logo. If you want to learn anything else, please let me know below in the comments. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching the video. Goodbye.